Click on username. Click IP allow list. IP has been added successfully. Click API. Select as needed. The country takes India as an example. The protocol is HTTP. Select sticky IP. Click to generate API link and open the link. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Open the browser and click Create New Browser. Set a name. Select HTTPS proxy type. Copy the proxy IP address. Click on the detection agent. If green font appears, it means the detection is successful. Click Save. After running the browse, I found that the IP address has been successfully changed.